Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and it was time to change our Samsung refrigerator water filter, and I opted to continue to go with these Waterdrop replacement filters. Now, I really like the Waterdrop filters because they do an awesome job at improving our water quality, and they are so easy to install. What I really love is this pack comes with 3 of them, so I always have a backup on hand. So this is supposed to be changed about every 6 months or so, and thankfully my refrigerator reminds me to do that. But also this set comes with some pretty cool month stickers so you know exactly when you installed it so you can stay on track. Now, these water filters have a carbon interior filter, which really helps to filter out all those nasty things that you don't want in your water. It helps to filter out chlorine and other heavy metals that sneak into our water, and it really gives you a nice, clean tasting water. Now, the install on this is a breeze. The hardest part is sometimes getting out the old filter since it's been in there for a little while, but once you let that loose and insert your new filter, lock it into place, it is good to go. No tools, in a matter of minutes, you've changed your water filter. I personally like to flush our water for a few minutes after we're done installing the new filter, and this really helps just to clean it out and get the water flowing through the filter nicely. I triple checked that this filter was compatible with our Samsung refrigerator, and it certainly was. So I've already installed one of the 3 in our refrigerator, and I am loving it. But that's just my point of view.